Hello, on this part of the video, we will see how this triangle 1, 2, root 5 can be exploited to derive the precise pi-phi correlation. And the correlations we are going to talk here are not like some fluky or imperfect equations like 6 upon 5 into square of golden ratio approximately equals the value of pi, or another famous but imprecise equation like 4 upon pi, which approximately equals the square root of golden ratio. We are not going to talk about such equations. We are going to talk about the precise pi-phi correlation which can be derived using this special right triangle 1, 2, root 5. As we know, this right triangle with its cathete in proportion 1:2 is full of golden proportions. Like semi-perimeter of this triangle is equal to square of golden proportion, or the in radius of this triangle is equal to inverse of the square of golden proportion. Okay, in such case, if we incorporate the incircle in this triangle, with incircle naturally pi enters into picture, and thence we can derive the precise pi-phi correlation like this. Consider this reference triangle ABC, which is 1, 2 and root 5 triangle, and this is the incircle of this triangle. Here it is observed that the area of this triangle ABC upon the area of its incircle, it is equal to perimeter of this triangle upon circumference of the incircle, and it is precisely equal to the fourth power of golden ratio upon pi. See this beautiful equation. It is precise up to infinite decimal places. And if we consider a couple of such triangles, like here, triangle ABC and triangle ADC with their common longer cathetus AC. This is hypotenuse root 5 of this triangle. This is hypotenuse root 5 of triangle ADC. This side 1, 1, and this is common longer cathetus 2. And if we incorporate the incircle in this combined triangle ABD, here also we observe a precise correlation, like area of this triangle ABD upon area of its incircle. This is precisely equal to twice the square of golden ratio upon pi. Okay, and in case of common shorter cathetus, consider these two triangles ABC and ADC. This is hypotenuse, of course, root 5 and root 5. This is the longer cathetus, BC equal to 2, DC equal to 2. This is shorter cathetus, AC. And we incorporate the incircle in this combined triangle. In this case, the ratio between the area of triangle ABD upon the area of its incircle, it is precisely equal to the sixth power of golden ratio upon twice the value of pi. Extremely precise correlations. And same are the relations between perimeter of these triangles and circumference of their incircles. Okay, and not just incircles, even the x circles. If we consider x circle of this 1 to root 5 triangle, those x circles can also provide this precise pi-phi correlation, because the 3x radii of this triangle are nothing but different powers of golden ratio. Like 3x radii of this 1 to root 5 triangle are square of golden ratio, the second x radii is precisely equal to golden ratio, and the third x radius is inverse of golden ratio. Hence, The classical geometry of this 1 to root 5 triangle enables us to derive the precise pi-phi correlation, which is firmly based upon classical geometric ratios. Details of all these things are provided in the research paper, and the paper link is in video description. So kindly visit the paper link and keep watching this video. Thank you. Hello. In last part of this video, we have seen how this 1 to root 5 triangle can be used to get the precise correlation between golden ratio and pi. The precise geometric ratios between this 1 to root 5 triangle and its incircle is observed in form of this equation. Similarly, if we connect couple of these triangles, if we connect couple of 1 to root 5 triangles along their longer catheti, here also we find a precise ratio between the combined triangle and its incircle in form of this equation. And if we connect two such triangles along their shorter catheti, the ratio between the combined triangle and its incircle is in this form. So this 1 to root 5 triangle can be exploited to get the precise pi-phi correlation in terms of geometric ratio. And this is obvious because in radius of this triangle is precisely equal to 1 upon phi square. So these ratios are obvious. But more important thing is that the similar precise pi-phi correlations, the similar correlations between pi and the golden ratio can also be derived from these couple of triangles, the 1 to root 5 triangle and 3, 4, 5 triangle. Like this, consider this triangle A, B and C. This is 1 to root 5 triangle. And this triangle ADC, this is 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. If we connect this triangle with their common longer catheters AC, 1 to root 5 triangle and 3, 4, 5 triple with their common longer catheters AC, and if we incorporate the incircle in this combined triangle ABD, here also we observe the similar precise correlation, like area of this triangle ABD upon area of its incircle this is precisely equal to twice phi square upon pi. Okay, and here we connect the two triangles along their smaller catheters. This triangle PQR, this is 1 to root 5 triangle, and the triangle PRS is the 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple, and these triangles are connected along their smaller catheters PR and we incorporate the incircle. Here in this case, the precise ratio observed between the area of triangle, the combined triangle PQS, and the area of its incircle is like this: 3 phi square upon pi. The similar precise pi-phi correlations with common smaller catheters and common longer catheters, and these are the paramount validation of the classical geometric relationship between these two triangles. Okay, I would like to mention no other geometric figure can give us such precise pi-phi correlation. For example, see the square here, a typical square and incircle inscribed in that square. In this case, the ratio between the area of this square and area of its incircle is 4 upon pi. and the coincidental equation or the fluky relationship is well known. This 4 upon pi is approximately equals the square root of golden ratio, but not precisely. This is not precise equation. So square or any other geometric figure cannot provide precise pi-phi correlation. Only and only this classical 1 2 root 5 triangle alone, or in amalgamation with 3 4 5 Pythagorean triple, can give us the precise pi-phi correlations in terms of specific geometric ratios. And this finally corroborates the classical intimacy between these two triangles. As we have seen in last part of our video, if these two triangles are connected along their hypotenuse, common hypotenuse, their angles and their sides add up to reflect the precise value of golden ratio. And if we connect these two triangles along their longer catheters or along their shorter catheters, they provide us precise pi-phi correlation. This finally corroborates, this finally authenticates the classical geometric relationship between these two right triangles. So all these things, their details are provided in the paper, and the paper link is in video description. In this video, I have requested you so many times to please visit the paper link, because I know and you know this constant here, golden ratio, it is as important as pi. So this golden ratio must become the part of our curriculum. It must be taught in our school, colleges and universities. And our scientific calculators must have a button with this symbol, the symbol of golden ratio. So please visit the paper link and support my research work. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.